We've not yet lost all our graces. The hounds will stay in chains. Look upon your greatness and she'll send the call out, 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 send.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. We are back in better than ever, and we were talking about angles in space. Woo! So let's get right to it, shall we? All right, so this is easy peasy pumpkin pie. Let's consider the angle between a line and a plane, shall we? So let's just to show you where this formula comes from. I want you to consider a line that has a direction vector of d. It's important there that that is a direction vector, yes, and it has a normal vector n. And so we have d intersect the normal vector, making an angle of theta. Okay. So the angle that we're in, that we want, has been labeled phi here, the angle phi. Well, the sine of phi is equal to the cosine of theta, and the cosine of theta we can get just for using the formula we already know for the angle between two vectors, absolute value of the dot product of the vectors divided by the product of their magnitude. And therefore, since sine phi equals cosine theta, then phi equals arc sine of all of that wonderful stuff. So it's very simple, very easy, yes? So if we have to find the angle between the angle between the plane x plus 2y minus z equals 8 and the line with these equations, it's very simple, very easy. I don't know, quick sketch. It could look something like this. So we have a normal, yes, like that, and then maybe an angle. I mean, it's just kind of a redraw of what we just did in direction D, and we think of, just along the plane here. So we're looking for, what was it, the angle phi. Say yes? Okay. Well, the normal vector, remember our ax plus by plus cz, so our normal vector is going to be equal to 1 to negative 1. And our vector d is in the direction of 1, negative 1, 2, the coefficients of our parameter. So 1, negative 1, and 2. So then we're in business, so that means that phi is equal to the arc sine of the absolute value of the dot product, so that's going to be, that's a pretty big absolute value there, 1 minus 2 minus 2, yes, over the magnitude of each of these, so that's 4, 5, 6, mag 6, mag 6. So that is equal to absolute value of negative 3. So that's the magnitude of 3 over 6. You better not need a calculator. So the arc sine of 1/2 is equal to 30 degrees. Very simple, very easy. All right, what about the angle between two planes? Same basic school of thought. So if you're looking straight ahead here, we have a normal vector coming from plane 1 and a normal vector coming from plane 2. So the cosine of the acute angle between the two normals, yes, here and here, n1 and n2, is going to be the dot product of the two normals over the magnitude. And then they have a nice little statement here. These are not on your formula sheet, but you can, you can derive them from the formula for the angle between two vectors, because that's what it really turns out to be. The angle between two planes is certainly clearly is going to be equivalent to the angle between the normals to those planes. So let's do this. Find the angle between the planes with these equations. So I don't know if if you want a quick drawing again, we could have this plane looking like this, and then it's intersecting this plane maybe like this, and then you got your normals coming out. We can call this, just like in the picture, N1, and then this coming out, they're perpendicular and whatnot, and this is N2. Okay, so what do we have here? So if we'll call this plane 1 and this plane 2, whatever. So the normal for plane 1 would be 1, 1, negative 1. Is that fair? It is. 1, 1, negative 1. And then the normal for plane 2 would be equal to 2, negative 1, 3. Bing, bang, boom. Easy peasy, pumpkin peasy. I don't know what that means. So theta is going to equal the arc cos, or cos negative 1, however you want to write it, of the absolute value of 2 minus 1 minus 3 over magnitude of 3 here times the magnitude of 4, 5, 14. I don't think this is going to come out as nice as the other one, so that's going to be arc cos of what? 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 3 is negative 2, so that's 2 over root 42, which is approximately equal to 72.0 degrees. And that wraps it up. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Let's see what's going on with Lord the Singer as we eke our way out of here. And we shall see you next time.